Nanny Janny here. I've decided just to have a day after getting a bit depressed from losing my bag yesterday and playing so long in the mines and just losing everything. So these Target people, they reminded me of the guys on bonfire night that we used to as a kid put on top of the bonfire. I don't know if people still do that these days, but it used to be fun. And everybody would gather around the fire and, you know, roast potatoes in bako foil and, you know, get some marshmallow on the end of a stick. So I thought I'd make a little bonfire and have a bit of fun. So here we go, let's see if it works. Yes, we got a bonfire going. Now let's see if the water boils. Yes, the water's boiling. And whilst we did that, whilst I was putting the water in there, I went and had a look at some recipes, and it says 2 chicken legs cooked, 1, 2, not too quickly. I don't know how long you have to wait. And 2 potatoes. See them all floating. Don't hit me in the head, mate. He's wiggling because he doesn't want to die. See if it works. I've never cooked anything really. Apparently it's supposed to go, you get a big circle around it and then it's done. It's boiling all well. Stop, I can't hear it anymore. And he's still jiggling around. Anyway, on the video that I made yesterday, someone put a comment about making arrows with grass on. So I did it. I made nice arrows with grass on. And you get flaming arrows. So let's see how he likes to have a flaming arrow in him. That didn't work. It didn't kill him. No, he's still burning though. Go back a bit. In the head. Oh, straight through. It's a bit nasty, aren't I? But the, I don't know if the stew's done because it's stopped now. Oh well. Then, with bonfire night, you get a nice bit of, come on, give me a bit of flame. Yes, you get some nice fireworks. So I've laid out some fireworks and I'm going to set them off. There you go. Yes. Oh. Ah, oh, look, I better put it up in the air so you can see. Come on. Not getting to turn you. Oh, they are. So if I put it up into the air, maybe you'll get to see them when they go up. Let's have a look. Oh, you can still hear me. Come on. Yes. Did you see him? Don't know. Don't know. Nope, didn't see that. So let's move you around a bit more. Maybe there. Let's try there. Oh yeah, saw that one. Yay! You can see him. Yay! Isn't that good? Well, I thought it was anyway. I thought that was fun. Let's get my arrows back. Put them back in. Thank goodness when you put them back in they go out. Because, you know, I don't want to be burning and killing myself. Well, let's have a look at this stew now that the fire's gone out. I don't know if it's going to kill me if I eat it, but I'm going to have to get a ladle or something. I was wondering if I've got one of these. Pull the stopper out. These are the potions you take when you're a long way from somewhere and you want to get back home quickly, and you just pour it over your face. Now I've got an empty one. Oh, looks a bit brown. Let's have a look if it makes me ill. Eat something, but nope, can't do yet. Try it. Has it done anything? It's probably not very good. Anyway, maybe I burnt it. Keep hold of that and then try and carry the pot back home. Well, I hope you thought that was a bit of fun. I certainly did. I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you again.